All right, Rob. Here I am at the shop. Just got done spraying your doors. A second coat. Here's the paint that I'm using. The low VOC, as you can see there. It's going through my spraying rig. There's the setup where I just finished spraying. Here's all your doors and drawers that have been sprayed. They're still soaking wet. They got to dry. And as you can see, they're here on the rack. These take 24 hours to dry. Well, not 20, probably about 12. But anyway, we will be at your house tomorrow to put these on.